Source: Chris, Android Central. What you need to know. If you've used a lot of Google devices in the past several years, including any of the best Android phones or Nest Smart displays, and linked them to Google Assistant, you may have noticed a lag in how the digital assistant responds to your command. It appears that having Assistant set up on a large number of devices has an impact on its speed. Google addresses this issue with a new update that has been quietly rolled out to users over the last few months, as spotted by Michelle Ramon. In its settings, Assistant now has a new feature that allows you to remove idle devices. 1/5 of Google Assistant remove unused devices. Source: J. Bungolto, Android Central. The new feature is only available for Assistant-enabled devices that you haven't used in at least 3 months. Google has a compelling explanation that should persuade you to disconnect your idle devices. Android 13 Preview 1. What's new? What's coming in the next version of Android? Check out our hands-on with the first Android 13 Tiramisu developer preview build. 0 seconds of 54 seconds, volume 0%. Get a faster assistant by removing devices that haven't been used in 3 months or more. This means that your other assistant devices won't be able to communicate with the devices that you remove. To add a device back, just use your assistant on that device. The latest change is available on the latest version of the Google app. To remove unused devices, head over to the app settings menu by tapping your profile photo in the top right corner. Then, open Google Assistant and tap the Devices option located below the menu. Choose Remove Unused Devices and then you'll see all of the devices currently linked to Assistant. Sponsored links. Going for gold, a sustainable winter games. CNN with Xinhua News Agency. Google will only show you devices that you haven't used in 3 months or more. After you've selected the devices you want to unlink, tap the Remove button, but there's a catch. The procedure not only deletes unused devices but it also resets them to their factory default settings. It remains to be seen how much speed improvement this feature brings to Assistant, but it won't hurt to free up some space. 5G ain't all it's cracked up to be. Ex-Google CEO thinks 5G in the US is a joke, calls out at. An article penned by Harvard professor and Google's former CEO highlights how the US has fallen behind in 5G. Make the Razr great again. Motorola Razr 3, top 6 features we want to see. We never got a Razr successor in 2021, but we're expecting Motorola to release the Razr 3 at some point this year. These are just some of the points we hope Motorola gets right with its next foldable. Tips and tricks. Here's how to get a Samsung Galaxy S22 for $200 or much less. It doesn't matter if you've got an old cracked phone lying around or one that's in perfectly good condition. We've got some tips and tricks that'll get you a new Galaxy S22 for much less than the asking cost. Maybe even free. Charging on the go. These are the best Google Pixel 6 card chargers right now. In celebration of the new Google Pixel 6 hitting shelves, we've rounded up a list of the best USB-C compatible card chargers for Google Pixel 6 on the market right now.